Everybody, better late than never. Here I am, better late than never. Here I've got 15 minutes on this because it's a free version of this here that I Screen Pal. It gives you 15 minutes for free if you don't sign up. If you want more, than here I am over here. Look, hey. Okay, so the first thing you do is you need a Canva account. Canva is free unless you pay for it, but you don't really need to pay for it. I don't, but they do offer it. So you click Create Design for your shorts to do your shorts. YouTube shorts are already done. All you have to do is click on that and it takes you into this right here. Now this right here is the size, so you don't have to mess with this at all. Just pick something that'll fit in here. So for the sake of whatever, for this video, to make it 15 minutes, let's just make up a video about I love dogs, okay? So, or actually, I love road trips because that's just easier. Now you can look for videos here, which they already have. So for example, if you wanted like road trips, for example, you could write road trips on here. Well, elements, got to click on elements first. And then you have, see, they have different types of things. They've got YouTube, things already done for you. They've got videos already done. All you have to do is make sure that they're free. So over here it's got those little things right there, those little 3 dots. That means that it's free. If it has the Pro, the gold crown, that means that it's Pro and you won't be able to use it. So I mean, you could click on it, but see, it's got like, it won't let you. It's got like these little lines there that say you can't use it. So we're going to use I don't want to look for a video that moves. I want to just make my own just to show you, but you could use videos. So I'm going to look for a background for this. And for the background, I've already got one picked out. You could put it or whatever you want. I picked this for road trips because I thought that was pretty cool. And what I do is I measure out the time, because over here it's 5 seconds for each of these pages. I want to get at least 30 seconds in. So what I'm going to do is right click on the picture and duplicate the page. Okay. And keep duplicating it until the bottom part reads 25 seconds, because the extra 5 seconds is going to be my subscribe button is going to come here. It's going to be 30 seconds. So let me just do one more, right? Actually, let's just leave it like that. Okay. And then, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have to write something on here. So you click on this one to make sure that that's the first. If you click on that, it'll be the second. That's the page 1. And on page 1, I want to go to text. And I usually get the big one here. Now you can choose from these. You can see the yellow are the ones that are pay for. You can use these if you wanted, so you don't have to deal with looking for fonts. That's fine. But I just write my own. I like making my own. So I go in here and I'm going to pick something, whatever. There's so many. This takes me forever. Okay, seriously. This is the one part that I can't stand. I'm here all day just looking for the perfect font. But I'm going to pick that one just because it's here. Wait, what's that one? See what I mean? Yeah, I actually like that one. Huh. I like that one. It looks like it's, I don't know. I like this one. So let me stretch it out a little bit. It's already highlighted, so I could just put in my words. Oops. I'm going to put in my words, which are I love driving. And the colon is just so it's, I don't know. And then I do it again. I'm sure there's another way to do it, but I'm doing it now this way, okay? I love driving. The trees. Wait. Sing the trees. It's corny, but sing the trees. And listening to music. And then over here, I'm gonna, let me see. I don't know. I'm making this up, okay? I'm just doing it as I go. Making memories. Did I put dots in front of these? I love driving, seeing the trees, listening to music, making memories. And then I love road trips. Is it one word? Road trips with you. Okay. And so that's cool. So now we have to position this because, you know, over here down, when you finish posting this, you're going to have the little signs up here that are going to be the dislike and like buttons and the comments on this side. And then over here, you're going to have your name, and then it's going to be, you know, whatever it is that you describe. So the title. So you want to make sure that this is kind of up a little, and I kind of want to make it bigger. So I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to do 125, I think is a good, that's perfect. And I'm sure there's another way to do all of it at one time. So you can show me how to do that if you want. And also you got to figure out where you put it, where you're going to put it, because I like to have this match. So I'm going to put this right there in that little spot right there where the eye is. So I'm going to go here, but I know what the eye is right there. And I'm going to put 125. Okay, so it's 125, and there. Okay, 125, and then move this up here again. 25, and then move this again over there. All right, 125. 125, and it's kind of like where the other one was, right? It doesn't have to be perfect, but okay. And then I might want to put a little heart there. So let me just add an element, and I'll just put a heart. Photos, not videos. They have photos, regular photos, real ones, or they have graphics. So I like the graphics. Not anything that moves is kind of corny. I just want a little heart, just like a regular, oh my God, really? A little bouncing one. I just want a little plain little heart, but I kind of want it to be a little bit more than just plain, like a little, no, not moving, just a little 3D kind of. I'm hoping, I know that they have one in here that's like a little 3D. Whatever, anyway. This is what takes the longest, this right here. So let me just get out of here. Let me just find one. It doesn't matter, just like whatever, that one's good. Okay, so then I just put this little heart. I'm going to go just there with you and use this little thing to turn it. Much like that. Oh, look at that. Oh, with you. That's cute. It's kind of like a subliminal to like your video. Okay, so then I'll do that, and then the last one's going to be the subscribe. But first of all, let me just do this first. This is kind of plain, so when you do it, if you click on the, see, this is how it's going to look like. It's going to look kind of, you know, you're going to add music to it, right? So let's just hurry up and do that. Over here you can click on this and you can have effects, and you can put this on the back if you want. Okay, or you don't have to. So I'm going to do it because I think it's going to be better. And I think it's going to be better so people can see it. Just put a little bit. Okay. Effects. Ba-da-bum. I forgot to notice what number that is to make them all the same, but. And then it's going to be there. Like that. And then the heart, if you want that the heart to be over that, then all you have to do is click on the heart, and then go here in the dots, and then layer, bring forward. Okay. I really liked it when it was under it, but it's okay right now. It's going to be like that, so that's okay. And then the last one's going to be the subscribe button. So let's look for the subscribe. Go to Elements, and you're going to hit subscribe. Now I already have a subscribe button that I like, which is that little parrot, and the only reason I like it is because it moves, and also because and I always have purple in the background because it's got one in Spanish too, so I don't have to deal with, you know, the rest of it. So then I go to the text. Nope, that's not it. I go to the text and I hit the small one, and then that's when I put my name. Okay, rosanamod, I'm going to click that down here. And then I'm going to click here, which is elements. And I'm going to put copyright, graphics. That's the one I like. Come here, make it smaller by grabbing the corners. Okay. Then I could just do duplicate, just so I don't have to go back. And then over here, I'm going to put 2024. Oops, that's good. And then just move it here. This line over here, when you move it, you're going to see like a pink line that's going across. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a line. That's going to show you where the middle is, so you can get everything together. See? Okay, so now that's it. Now if I wanted to make this any kind of like moving or anything, I would just click on that, and then you can look for effects, and you could see what's there. I mean, animate. You could animate it to make it like that, like this, like that. It's kind of cool. You see what I mean? You could do any of that, but we're not going to do that right now. We're going to leave it like this, just to show you. Then you go share. You are going to download. It's always going to be MP4 video. Suggested, just follow it. These are the rest of it, but you just want to do that because it's already set up. Download. It's going to take a little bit for that to do that, maybe less than a minute, 30 seconds. And then when that loads up and finishes, it's going to jump up here. And then when it jumps up there, you're going to know it's ready. Okay? So I'm waiting for that to be done. There it is. So now that it's done, I'm going to go in here. I'm going to click on create, upload a video, select files. I love driving. It's not really the name of it. You got to change that and make it, you know, the same. And then once that's done, hopefully it'll be fast. So we don't have to wait too long. And I'm on 12 minutes right now, and I really want to show you, you know, how this is done before 15 minutes is up. Hopefully it won't take long because this is a short. So if you want to do shorts, remember to do shorts. Put that on there on the top. Okay. And describe all that, and then put the playlists, whatever, or you don't have to because it's shorts. And then click more, and then always know over here in the altered content, keep all this, add your hashtags, which is whatever. I always put USA. Recording time, unless you want it set for something else. You know, allow video, yes. Education, no. This is just for, you know, for fun, entertainment. And next. Now this is going to be private because I don't want to show anybody, right? Because this is just for tutorial. So I'm going to hit private, save. Now that it's done, and you click on shorts, and there it is. Okay, I'm going to edit right here. Hit editor. Go to audio. Go to the audio library if you want. There's so many, right? But you don't have to go through. There's just so many things. But we're not going to do that. I've got starred ones already here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to listen to whatever music is good for driving. Sounds like a driving one, doesn't it? You know, let's just do that one, okay? So I click add. Save. Save. See, we're doing it fast, but you could pause it and watch it later. We're at 13:45 minutes right now. This is going to take a little bit, but it's done, basically. If I don't get to the 15 minutes while I'm doing this, it's going to be done because it says here, video is being processed, so check back later. But it's a short, so I'm hoping it'll be done quick. But if not, it's going to be done regardless. 14:04. Oh my God. If it doesn't get done, I'll save it, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end of another clip. I'll do another short. I'll do a part 2. How about that? All right. I'll do a part 2. That sounds good. I'll do a part 2 like right after this one. As soon as this is done, we'll do that. And then I can just show you the other stuff. Oh my God. It's 14:36. All right, we're not going to make it. This is going to take forever, so it doesn't matter. Watch part 2 that's going to come right after that then, and I'll show you what the finished product is. Talk to you soon. Thank you. And what do we say? We say ciao. Still waiting. Yep. Not done. God bless you. God bless you. We say ciao. See you soon. Next one.